Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to continue the series of the motivation. So first of all, welcome back to Igniters. After so many days I'm again continuing the series, and today we'll be starting with a motivational series, and this is basically a very short video. Okay, more than the person who is saying this, the thing that he is trying to imply, the thing that is he's trying to teach, and the traits that he is trying to advocate for the people who are interested for leadership positions, also for those who want to lead a certain more than an ordinary life. So this, the theme and the context will be life and leadership. Okay, so in life and leadership, one thing that is very much important is that though you might not hold any position, any post, but the quality of a leadership is important to lead a life more than just ordinary life. So let's begin today's lecture. First, there are 7 traits that he's trying to tell in this in his speech. Number 1 is your professional competence. Number 2, ability to take decision and responsibility. Number 3, absolute justice and impartiality. Number 4, courage. Number 5, loyalty. Number 6, management. And number 7, discipline. Before moving ahead, first of all, let me try to explain you in very brief what are these qualities and what are these traits and how is it important for leadership in any person or to live your life more than just an ordinary life. First is the professional competence. Professional competence means from whatever area you are, from whatever subject, from whatever spectrum you are, it should reflect competence in it. It should reflect, strength in your field, in your arena, in your field where you're strong enough to know what you are from. Okay, for example, if you're the student of medical, then you should know about certain good certain good amount of the medicine that you can so competency in that language or in that profession or in that area that you belong to. So this professional competence is very important, and why it says this professional competence is important, because whenever this leadership mainly surrounds around decision. Okay, it mainly surrounds around decision. So before making decision, professional competence gives yourself a self-esteem, a self-courage, and a self-confidence in taking decisions. It teaches you experience, it teaches you learnings, and hence it makes your decision much quicker and more which sees all the facets and all the areas, and then it takes a decision. For that, professional competence is very much important. Second is the ability to take decision and responsibility. This is the second most important, rather I will say this is the first important that you should know, is that you should have the ability and the courage and that that strength to take decisions. Okay, you should not take too much time to take decisions, but before taking decisions, you should consider all the points, all the positives, all the negatives, and all other aspects of that decision. But you should be quick in your decision, and you should take full responsibility of the decision. You should be clear with your reasons, you should be clear with all the fronts and all the parts of the decisions. Okay, and then you should hold the decision, you should stand for your decision. Term number 3 is your absolute justice and impartiality. This is very important. You should not differentiate any person on the basis of anything, be it gender, caste, religion, okay, anything. You should not discriminate between anything among the person that you are treating. So you should show absolute justice to the people. You should show impartial behavior towards the people. Because why is it important? Why impartiality is important? Because the people that you are showing impartiality will bring confidence in you. Okay, if you're impartial, if you are same for person A, B, and C, this 3 person will have confidence in you, will have they will have trust in you. And for making trust, it is very important that you treat every person equally. Number 4 is courage. Courage in every field. Courage in making decision, courage in standing for right, courage for taking extra steps, courage for taking good deeds, courage for taking good steps. Number 5 is your loyalty. Loyalty to the field, loyalty to your area, loyalty to the people, loyalty to your public that you are serving. Number 6 is management. This management becomes very important, is management of your time, management of how you are taking care of different people. For example, if you're in an organization, how you are managing it very matters. And last is the discipline, which also plays a very important role, because this is important when you follow the rules and the regulations. So that's all for today. See you later.